on, guys? Welcome back to Pat Outdoors. We are finally taking out Project YZE out to some trails today to do the initial shakedown. In case you're new to my channel, this is my 2006 Yamaha YZ250 that I've converted to electric using Electro & Co.'s QS138 Kit. I've ridden it around a little bit around the neighborhood, but I have not been able to test it full throttle or toggle through the modes yet. So I'm gonna take it up to my buddy Pat's property in West Virginia and see how it rips. I've had the bike hooked up to the charger for the last few hours. This one's got the Amorge 40 amp hour 72 volt battery with the amp BMS, and it is holding over 83 volts. So hopefully it lasts my whole 2-3 hour trail ride today. I've never taken this out for more than 5 minutes, so we'll find out. It's a hot day today. It's over 80 degrees. The grass is a little wet. It's very humid. Hopefully it's a good day. Starting with 83 volts at 1025. Oh shit. Yep.
You want to ride in front to avoid the exhaust, be my guest.
I need you up front to set the pace, okay, because
you get out of hand.
Yeah. This thing is so much more comfortable than my KLX. Throttle's a little sensitive.
How is it?
Touchy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I gotta put it in eco mode. I just put it in eco mode because when we're going over like little logs and rocks,
yeah,
and then the handle, I go like this. When I slightly twist the throttle, it's a little sensitive.
Yeah.
So the only thing I'm intimidated about is like going over a log. I just feel like it's gonna shoot out under me.
Yeah, if you grab your handlebars like this, you're more likely to do that. If you grab them like this and keep your elbows wide, when you go over things, you're less likely to have those sudden jerks.
Well, I never had that issue with my Kawasaki because I would just clutch and slip the clutch a little. Yeah. You know, I would blip the throttle, slip it, and then it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't slip it. Yeah. It's like a little bit of movement, but seems like eco mode is really a lot more modular, yeah, so I might be able to just do this. Yeah, it's a lot more manageable.
This thing is fucking amazing, dude. Eco mode. It feels like a dirt bike. Oof. Slipped off. Not too bad. Hi, Lily.
How are you, Lily?
Here to catch those guys.
Harley. Man, I'm so happy with how this bike's been performing so far. It's been very reliable. The throttle was a little touchy at first, but once I put it in eco mode, it's more like a realistic dirt bike feel. So I'm very happy with the way the bike is handling, and the power is more than enough. Hill climb. I'm definitely noticing a slight dip in power now. After an hour and a half of riding, we're down to 75.4 volts, and it doesn't easily do wheelies now, at least on eco mode. So let's see what it's on medium. Yeah, it's definitely down on power. but it's still got plenty of juice overall. It just doesn't have the same amount of torque. All right, guys, well, this bike was a freaking blast to ride. I'm glad the YZ didn't have any sort of issues today. I was able to get about an hour and 45 minutes of ride time before the voltage dropped down to about 74 volts, which doesn't stop it from riding. I was able to still continue keeping up with my buddy's KTM 300 two-stroke towards the end. It just doesn't pop wheelies in eco mode anymore, but it's got plenty of power. I'm not looking to upgrade the speed anymore. At this point, I just want to clean up the build. Finish building the battery box to make sure that it's fully protected, and monitor the temperature of the controller, make sure that there's no issues there with heat management. And I'm pretty happy with the sprocket size. The 15 tooth got me up the hills and it's got plenty of speed. I'm not really looking to change that. On the next video, I am going to do a top speed run, so stay tuned if you are interested in seeing that. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects or some of my rides, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.